Hello, it's Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Los Cristianos. We're in a complex called El Mirador. It's got 2 swimming pools. The complex is made up of about, I'm guessing, about 14 blocks, but they're only 2 levels high and it's spread out over a large area, so it doesn't really feel like there's that many people here. Fantastic residential complex. We're going to be looking at one of the upper floors, which means only one thing. We've got a roof terrace as well with a spiral staircase outside. So let's have a look around. So we're just coming through the main door here, and what we see as soon as we enter is that. So we've got the lounge there on the left hand side, we've got the kitchen there as well, and on the right hand side, as you've just seen anyway, we've got the bathroom. Now that looks recently refurbished, so we've got a big sink, obviously the loo, and this shower is brilliant. It's got a big base there but no door on the outside here, so you're straight in. So you've got obviously the glass there protecting everything else, and it's got one of those big shower heads on as well, very nice. So, out of here, now, in that cupboard, got a washing machine. It's one of the slim Spanish spinny washing machines. It's a tumble, not a tumble, what do they call it? Actual drum washing machine. That's new. There's the electric there as well. Say that's new, I know that's new because when one of the owners came over, they had to renew it. So, straight into the lounge kitchen area. Really nice, and I think this is actually original, but it's really, really well looked after. Nothing needs doing. I mean, if you don't like it, you change it, but you don't have to at all. A proper oven, hob, everything here as well is staying. So you've got the lounge area there as well. It's really nice and spacious, bright. So you can see the doors are open there out onto that terrace. We'll have a look out there in a tick. So we've got the bedroom here. So that's a double bedroom. There's still plenty of room to walk around. Doors straight out onto the terrace. That's the same terrace there with a spiral staircase out there. Good sized bedroom though. Plenty of wardrobe space. And then, now this place has got a garage as well, so there's a parking space downstairs. Get out onto this terrace here. Bit of a cloudy day, so not necessarily the best day for the sun, but we get sun on here in the morning, early in the morning. And then if we nip up these spiral staircase, we'll see where we'll have sun all day. I mean, this is open absolutely to the sun. The sun will be rising over here, and it'll be setting over there. You can see La Gomera. Now, if I was a real estate agent, I'd be calling that a sea view, but we're not. You can see the sea, but I'm not calling it a sea view. Plenty of space here for your sunbeds. Breakfast out here in the morning. Evening dinner down there on the terrace. Absolutely fabulous complex as well. We can see the swimming pool at the end. We're actually the furthest apartment away from the bars. The bars and the restaurants are just down there, in fact. The other side of the other side there of that swimming pool. There is another swimming pool in the complex as well. So although you see quite a few apartments here, not everyone uses that pool there. So we've got bars, restaurants, shops down there, some bars at the other end down here as well. As I say, we are the furthest away, which is nice because you won't get the noise or the food smells. So that's our 1-bedroom top floor apartment in El Mirador in Los Cristianos. One of the best, in my opinion, one of the best residential complexes in Los Cristianos. And of course there's a top floor one, so you've got this great roof terrace here, you'll be getting sun all day. And on this particular apartment there's also parking included as well. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.